Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to delete Google Sheet. So let's start. The first open your Google Sheet, then go to the File tab, then click on the Move to Trash option, and here the one dialog box is open, File Move to Trash. Then click on the Go to Sheet home screen, and here the home screen is open. And here you can see your recent file. Just go to the right hand side and click on the three dot and click on the Remove. Here you can see the move to trash. Google Sheet will be moved to drive, trash and deleted forever after the 30 days. Just click on the move to trash and here your Google Sheet is deleted. To delete your Google Sheet permanently, just click on this three line, the left hand side main menu, and here click on the drive, and here your Google Drive is open. Then left hand side, just click on the trash option, second last option, and you can see here the first recently deleted file. Just click on the three dot more action and click on the delete forever, and the Google Sheet will be deleted forever. This can't be undo. Just click on the delete forever and that's it, your file is deleted permanently. Okay, so this is a way you can delete your Google Sheet permanently. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.